Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start inside System Settings, open the Apple menu and choose System Settings. Once there, go to General and tap Language and Region. This is where Mac OS stores system and app language choices. Click the plus button to add a new language. Choose it from the list and confirm. When prompted, drag languages into your preferred order to prioritize them for menus and apps. Make sure to add any regional variants if you need specific date, time, or measurement formats. After adding the language, set it as your primary choice and agree to any confirmation or restart prompts. Mac OS often needs a logout to apply full changes. You can also choose language preferences for websites and individual apps. Check app language under each app's info page or in System Settings apps. If an app doesn't follow the new language, force quit and relaunch it. Once done, verify menu text, Finder labels, and date/time formats reflect the new settings. Finish by restarting your MacBook if you haven't already. That ensures login window, system menus, and built-in apps update. If certain apps remain in the old language, open Finder, select the app, get info, and set app language there, then relaunch the app. If language files appear missing or behavior is inconsistent, sign into a different user account to check if it's user-specific. As a last resort, reinstall Mac OS or restore language resources.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.